Welcome to GoodWe training series. Today we will take you through the GT125K unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the GT125K series box. In the box, there is a measuring cardboard, PV protective enclosure, mounting plate, 2 accessory pack, here are the components included in the accessory box. Introduction of the inverter. Take a look at the appearance of Link's AG3 from different views. Here is the parameter label of the inverter. Length is 442 mm, width is 300 mm and the height is 650 mm. Bottom view of the inverter. There are many ports. Installation of the inverter. Remove the screws securing the handle. Take out the handle. Pay attention to the direction of the handle. Insert the handle into the slot. Then tighten the screw. By measuring the hole positions on the cardboard markings, drill the holes using an 8 mm diameter percussion drill, ensuring a depth of approximately 80 mm. Use expansion bolts to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Take out the mounting plate. Install the mounting plate on the back of the inverter and secure it with screws. Mount the inverter on the wall. Then take out PV protective enclosure. Assemble the PV cover using the correct screw and hinge specifications. Fix the PV cover onto the wall, ensuring it is securely installed. Open the PV cover. Prepare cables and make terminals. Feed the cable through the PV cover and connect it to the inverter. Remove the AC terminal cover. Select the corresponding hole diameter according to the AC cable diameter specification. Cut off the plastic tapered bushing to match this size. Then insert the cable through the plastic tapered bushing. Prepare and make 5 AC cables. Replace the cover plate and tighten the screws. Strip the wire insulation to the appropriate length, and insert the wire into the terminal, and compress it tightly with crimping pliers. Unscrew the communication module. Remove the waterproof plug. Route the communication cable into the integrated communication connector in sequence. Insert the tubular terminal into the communication module hole and connect the communication module into the integrated communication connector. Insert the integrated communication connector into the integrated communication port on the inverter. Take out the communication module. Assemble the communication module. Connect the module to the inverter. Open the side cover. Turn on the inverter. Now the inverter can operate normally. Download SolarGo app. Then open the phone settings and search for the Wi-Fi. The initial password is 12345678. Next, open the SolarGo app. Refresh the homepage and you will see the connected Wi-Fi signal. Select the device and use password 1234 to connect the inverter with the installer account. On the homepage and parameters page, you will find basic data about the inverter. Click More and choose Grid Connection Parameters. Choose Safety option and enter password 12345678. Inverter configurations and select Safety. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe training series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.